Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how we can change Instagram language back to English. So first up, as you can see here on your screen, you just have to open up your Instagram app. So once you open your Instagram application, so here you just have to tap on your profile icon at the bottom right-hand corner of your screen. And once you are on your profile page, just tap on the three lines at the top right-hand corner of your screen. And then here you will find an option. So basically, you will find here your settings and privacy. So here, as you can see, the language is actually in a Filipino language. So to bring back to English language, so just scroll down and find this language option or this icon. So basically here under the accessibility, and then tap on that and then click on the first option. Now you'll be directly go to your general settings, and under Instagram app, here at the bottom you'll find preferred language. So tap on your language and then select on English as your default language. So if you're going back to your Instagram, then you'll find that the language is back to English. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you on the next video.